Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Career Guides. Today I will discuss about an important topic and this topic will be very helpful for BTech students. And today I am talking about which course will be better for BTech student after completing their BTech. There are two courses I will compare. These two courses are one is MTech and another is MBA. So some BTech people are thought that some BTech student are thought that they should go for MBA and some thought that they should go for MTech and they are confused about their upcoming post graduation and which course they should do. They don't know. So in this video I will talk about these two course and I will discuss about these two course in details so that you can easily understand which course will be better for you and which course you should go for. So if you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel Smart Career Guide and click the bell icon so that you can get all the notification related to marketing, digital marketing and obviously career related tips. So let's begin. So today topic is very important and essential for every BTech student who want to pursue their post graduation, who want to pursue their higher studies. So some students are thought that they should go for MBA or some thought that they should go for MTech. So after completing BTech, if you want to build your career, if you want to make your career in the field of management, so you should go for MBA. And on the other hand, if you want to continue your technical related course, you should, if you want to know in depth, in details about your subject which you had studied in your during your BTech, so if you want to know in details about your subject, so you should go for the MTech. MTech means Master of Technology, which is the 2 years course duration, and after completing this course there are various different kind of job opportunity available in the market, like you should go for teaching profession and you should go for work as a senior engineer or a senior software developer. It's depend on the stream, which stream they want to pursue during their MTech. So MTech is engineering course, and if you want to pursue your higher study in the field of science and technology, so obviously you should go for MTech. And the average salary you got after completing your MTech is it may be it depends, but it may be around 40,000 50,000 rupees per month in case of base salary. And if you go for MBA, so MBA means Master of Business Administration. This is the 2 year management course, postgraduate management course, and you also can do MTech. So MTech will be good career option for you if you have interested and if you want to change your stream from technology to management, and if you have some interest in the field of company management, how company works, company functions, if you have interest in finance, marketing, human resource, so you can obviously go for MBA and you can get a good salary after MBA. That will be around 40 to 50,000, 60,000, it depends upon you. So these two courses are better, but you should identify by yourself which course will be better for you, and so it basically depends upon you. I will just guide you about this, but you have to decide about these two courses, which you should go for and which you will not go for. So thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions, if you want to know something about these two courses, or if you have any query, you can comment me below the video, or you can follow me on my Facebook page, or you can follow my personal blog, that is Smart Career Guide. So Thank you for watching my video.